Okay, Virgo. Hi, Virgo people. The roots. Okay, the path, the tower. Virgo. I know na gusto nyo palagi na tough yung dating nyo, na medyo gusto nyo na hindi kayo nagpapakita ng vulnerability, but this time it is important that you show that vulnerability. Okay, this time it is important that you tell other people that you need help instead of trying to cover it up and and pretending na okay kayo pero totoo hindi. The financial is a little bit unstable right now. I would suggest you guys to check on your book, okay? To check on your journals, no expenses. Kailangan tignan lahat. Why? I don't know. Some of you might be overspending. So some of you might experience yung mga panggulat na bills na hindi nyo inaasahan. Okay? Pero as always, you guys will always survive this. Lagi naman kayong ganyan. Lagi kayong, alam nyo yon, lagi kayong nananalo sa mga ganitong bagay. This year, focus on clearing yung mga debts, yung mga utang, ganyan. I-clear natin yan. Wakasan natin yan. If you might as well check your subscription, okay? Na medyo nagbabawas ng kaperahan, yan, check nyo yan. Anything na tumatagas sa life nyo, okay? Tanggalin muna natin. As what I have said, this season is a little bit, alam mo yun, the season will call you to show your vulnerability, and part of your vulnerability is yun nga, yung mga tagas na energy. You need to always remember that money is energy, and at the same time, there's a way for you on how to regulate it. Okay? Yun lang.